Okay, let's try the second part of this statistics Ogive question here. We've got this frequency table, and now that we've got it all filled out, we know they ask us to sketch an Ogive curve. Well, we take these endpoints, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, and we graph them to 12, 55, 126, all the way up to 250 on the grid that you're given. Well, I made my own grid here anyways, but here you go, 10 and a little bit above 10, 12, and then I went 20 and up to about 55 here, 30, you just do it on yours, up to 126, that's about where it would be, 40 and 40 and 191, 50 and 215, 60 and 241, and then 70. 70 goes right to 250. And you connect it in the best kind of curve you can, and there's your Ogive curve, all done. Now, we don't need the curve to ask, what is the modal time? Well, that's the region, the range where the biggest frequency. Well, that's between 20 and 30, and that's your answer. Determine x is less than or equal to 30 or 20. That's the modal time. Determine the interquartile range. Well, we've got to do an estimate. So what you do is you take a quarter of 250, 62 and a half, about 63. You go over on your graph and you go down, and I got close to 21. Now, it's just an estimate, so if you got anything reasonably close to that, you'll get it right. And then 3/4 of 250 is about 12 from the top there. That's 187.5. Go to about 188. Go over and go down. I got something reasonably close to 38. And when I subtracted them, I got the interquartile range of 17. Now, you just have to do something reasonable and indicate it on your graph, and I think you'll get those marks for that question. Now, this one's an easy one. Determine the percentage of customers who spent 20 minutes or less shopping for groceries. Well, there were 55 people, says that's what the community frequency tells us. 55 out of 250 that were less than or equal to 20 minutes. That's what the table's telling us. So that percentage, 55 over 250, is 22%. Spent 20 or less minutes shopping. There's your stats all done.